Hello everyone, this is video number 5 on determinants, and in this video we will continue exercise 4.2, question number 6 to 14. By using properties of determinant, show that the question number 6 is first column 0 minus a b, a 0 c minus b minus c and 0, and we have to show that this determinant, the value of this determinant which is 0, using the property of determinants. So let delta is equal to this determinant 0 a minus b and minus a 0 c b c and 0. Give equation number 1. Here all the diagonal elements are 0. So think about skew-symmetric matrix. In skew-symmetric matrix, all the elements of diagonals which is are 0, and skew-symmetric matrix which is a dash is equal to minus a. On applying row interchange with column means find is transpose, like is transpose. So applying R and C, it means interchanging R and C. So all rows convert into column. So this is first row 0a minus b convert into first column 0a minus b. Let's see here 0a minus b, this is first column. Now second row convert into second column minus a 0 minus c minus a 0 minus c. Now third row BC0, let's see here, this is BC0. So this is interchanging of row and column. Now from this determinants, minus sign common out from R1, R2 and R3. From first row minus sign common out, second row also and third row also. So since 3 times minus sign is common out, so once again it will be minus. So first row, from first row if we common out minus sign, so 0 as it is, it will be positive and it will be negative. Now from second row both a and c will be negative, it means minus a and minus c. And from third row if minus sign is common out, then it will both will be positive, it means b and c. Let's see, observe this 0 a minus b, first determinants 0 a minus b, minus a 0 minus c, minus a 0 minus c, and third row bc0, bc0. So from equation number 1 it is once again delta. So this determinant by using 1, which is delta, this is the minus sign, so transfer into left side, so it will be positive. Delta plus delta, that is 2 delta, 2 into delta which is equal to 0. Since 2 is not equal to 0, so delta is equal to 0. This. Now question number 7, the determinant is first column minus a square ba ca, second is ab minus b square cb, and third is ac bc and minus c square, and we have to prove that it will be equal to 4a square b square and c square. So by taking LHS, this is LHS. So first observe this determinant. In first row there is a is common, a. Column also, let's see here, a is common in column also, C1 first column. So in first row a is common, in second row b is common, and third row c is common. So here taking out a, b, c common out from R1, R2 and R3. If you want to common out from C1, C2, C3, no problem, but here we are taking common out a, b, c from R1, R2 and R3. So from first row a is common, second row b is common, and third row c is common. So if a is common from first row, so only minus a, and here only b, and here only c remaining. Now from second row b is common, so only a, and here only minus b, and b is common, so only c remaining. From third row c is common, so only a and b, this is a and b, and this is only minus c. Now on R1 plus R2, if we add this two row, then plus and minus a cancel out, minus b and plus b cancel out, you will get 2 0. And on R2 also, R2 plus R3. So ABC as it is, join these two row, R1 plus R2 on first row, so plus a and minus a it will be 0, minus b and plus c it will be 0, and c plus c, that is 2c. R2 plus R3, a plus a 2a, plus b and minus b 0, and minus c and plus c once again 0, and third row which is as it is. Now since in first row there are 2 zeros, so expand along with R1. You can expand along with R2 also, because in second row also 2 zeros. So in first row there are 2 zeros, so expand along R1. So write ABC as it is. This is plus, minus, and once again this is plus, to take with plus sign 2C. This is 2C into first row and third column is deleted, since 2C lie in first row and third column. So first row and third column deleted. So only this 2 by 2 determinants remaining. So 2A into B minus A into 0. 2AB, 2A into B, it means 2AB minus 0. So 2AB into 2C, that is 4ABC. 4ABC and ABC, that is 4A square, B square and C square. Now question number 8, first part. In determinants, first column 1 1 1, second is ABC, and third is A square, B square, C square, and our target is A minus B, B minus C and C minus A. So by taking LHS, here first column is 1 1 1. So if we subtract R1 minus R2, R1 minus R2 and R2 minus R3 on first row, if we apply R1 minus R2, then you will get 0 here, and R2 minus R3, then you will get 0 here. So on R1 and R2 only apply maximum 2 operations on 3 by 3 determinants, not 3. So on R1, let's see here, 1 minus 1, that is 0, it is A minus B, and here A square minus B square. Now second row, R2 minus R3, 1 minus 1, that is 0, this is B minus C, and here B square minus C square, and third row, which is as it is 1C and C square. Now once again observe, in first row this is 0, A minus B, and A square minus B square, it means A plus B and A minus B. Similarly here B minus C, and this is B plus C into B minus C. So from first row A minus B is common, and from second row B minus C is common. Since once again see our target, A minus B, B minus C and C minus A. So A minus B and B minus C common out. So taking out A minus B and B minus C from common out from R1 and R2 respectively. So this is A minus B and B minus C. Since A minus B, which is common from R1, so this is 0, A minus B common, so only 1 remaining. A minus B is common, then A plus B remaining here. Now from second row, B minus C common, so 0, B minus C common, so only 1 remaining. B square minus C square, so B minus C common out, so only B plus C remaining. Third row as it is. Now expanding along with C1, because in C1 there are 2 zeros, so plus, minus, and once again plus, so this is plus 1. So since this one lie in third row and first column, so third row and first column deleted, so only this 2 by 2 determinant remaining. So 1 into B plus C minus 1 into A plus B. So 1 into B plus C, it means only B plus C remaining, minus 1 into A plus B, so only A plus B remaining. Open this bracket, so minus A and minus B. Here B is cancelled out, so only C minus A remaining. So our target is A minus B, B minus C and C minus A. This is our RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Let's see one more part, second question. Here in first row 1 1 1, second row ABC, and third row A cube, B cube and C cube. And target is A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, and one more bracket, A plus B plus C. So once again by taking LHS, LHS is 1 1 1, A, B, C and A cube, B cube and C cube. So it's very, once again simple question, we can easily make 0 here. So on C1 minus C2 you will get 0 here. On C2 apply C2 minus C3, so you will get 0 also here. And be very careful, use cyclic order, A minus B, B minus C, like this. So C1 minus C2, so 1 minus 1 0, here A minus B, and here A cube minus B cube. Second column 1 minus 1, once again 0, B minus C, this is B minus C, B cube minus C cube, this is B cube minus C cube, and third column as it is. And once again make sure that maximum 2 operation can be used on 3 by 3 determinants. So don't apply 3 operations simultaneously on 3 by 3 matrix. You will get 0 and the whole value becomes 0. So only maximum 2 operations can be used on 3 by 3 determinants. Now first let's see a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b in the bracket a square plus ab plus b square. So here from first column a minus b is common. This is a minus b and a cube minus b cube, it means a minus b and in the bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly here from second column b minus c is common. So a minus b and b minus c common out from c1 and c2, first column and second column respectively. So this is a minus b and b minus c. First focus on first column, so it will be 0. This is only 1 and a minus b is common out, so only a square plus ab plus b square remaining. Similarly here this is 0, b minus c common out, so only 1, and here also b minus c common out, so only b square plus bc plus c square remaining, and third column as it is 1c c cube. Since in our first row there are 2 zeros, so expanding along with r1, so first row and first column, third column will be deleted. Only this 2 by 2 determinants remaining. So plus minus and once again plus, so this is plus 1. Now 1 into b square plus bc plus c square minus 1 into a square plus ab plus b square. So let's see here 1 into b square plus bc plus c square, so only b square plus bc plus c square remaining. This is minus sign. A square plus ab plus b square into 1, so only a square plus ab plus b square remaining. In next step open this bracket and change the sign. So b square plus bc plus c square as it is, this is minus a square minus ab and this is minus b square. So your minus b square cancel out, plus b square and minus b square cancel out. Now once again observe here, this is c square minus a square. Our target is a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. This is c square minus a square. So we can apply the formula c plus a and c minus a, and bc and this is minus ab. See here b is common, so only c minus a remaining. So from second and this term minus ab, b is common, so c minus a remaining plus, and c square minus a square we can apply formula c plus a and c minus a. So c minus a once again common out. Here only b remaining and from here only c plus a remaining. Now write this term in cyclic order a plus b plus c. So a minus b, b minus c, c minus a into a plus b plus c. This is our RHS. Now next question number 9. Once again by using property of determinants show that first column x y z, second is x square y square z square, and third is y z zx xy, and target is x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, and xy plus yz plus zx. So by taking LHS, x y z x square y square z square. So if we subtract r1 minus r2, then we will get x minus y, x square minus y square, so on r1 apply r1 minus r2, and on r2 apply r2 minus r3. So let's see first step, x minus y, this is x minus y, x square minus y square, this is x square minus y square, and yz minus zx, yz minus zx. Now second row, y minus z, this is y minus z, y square minus z square, this is y square minus z square, zx minus xy, zx minus xy. Third row as it is. Let's see here, yz minus zx, this is x minus y, and it will be x plus y into x minus y. Now yz minus zx, yz minus zx, if z is common then y minus x remaining, but we want to common out x minus y, so minus sign common out, so it will be minus z in the bracket x minus y. So x minus y present here also, second term also, second column also and third column also. So in first row x minus y is common out, and similarly from second row y minus z is common out. So taking out x minus y and y minus z from R1 and R2. So x minus y and y minus z right here into x minus y is common, so only one remaining. X square minus y square, so x minus y is common out, so only x plus y remaining. And here x minus y is common, so only minus z remaining. Once again see here, x minus y is common, so only minus z remaining. This is minus z. Now second row, y minus z is common, so only one remaining. Y square minus z square, it means y plus z, and y minus z common out, so only y plus z. This is y plus z. And here zx minus xy, so y minus z common out. Let's see here, zx minus xy, it means x common, so z minus y, and once again minus sign also common, so it will be y minus z, and we common out y minus z, so only minus x remaining. This is minus x. Now on R2, on second row, R2 minus R1, R2 minus R1. So from second row subtract first row. So x minus y and y minus z as it is. First row as it is. Now 1 minus 1, that is 0. It will be y plus z minus x and minus y. So y cancel out, only z minus x remaining. This is z minus x. And here this is minus x, and minus minus, it will be plus z. So it will be z minus x. Second, this is also z minus x. So z minus x is common out from R2. So our x minus y, y minus z, and z minus x. X minus y, y minus z, and z minus x. One more term remaining. So now there is one more operation. Suppose on C2, this is C2, C2 minus C3, second column minus third column. So you will get 0 here. First column as it is. Now x plus y and minus, so minus minus plus z, this is plus z. Here 1 minus 1, that is 0. And here z square minus xy, this is z square minus xy. Third column as it is. Now expand along with this R2. So plus minus, so minus plus, and once again minus. So this is 3 brackets, and after this is minus 1. Right, minus sign here, because plus minus plus, so this is minus, so it will be plus, and this is minus. Second row, third column, second row, third column, second and third, 2, 3, it means total 5, 5 it means minus sign. So since one line in second row and third column, so second row and third column deleted, so only 1 into z square minus xy, z square minus z into this bracket, x plus y plus z. Now open this bracket, it means multiplied by minus z. So z square minus xy as it is, minus zx minus yz and minus z square. So z square here cancel out, plus z and minus z square cancel out. Only minus xy, minus yz and minus zx remaining. So minus sign is common, so it will be minus minus plus. And write in cyclic order, xy plus yz plus zx. So this is our answer, xy plus yz plus zx. So this is our RHS. Once again watch this video and try all the question in your notebook. Okay, thank you.